Okay, we're going to talk about mulch just a little bit, and also dirt. So you can go to a local nursery, and this is 1 yard of mulch. If you get the single tamp, it's got big chunks, and if you get the double, then it's a lot more finer, but it still stays in place because it won't wash whenever the rain comes. It kind of binds together. So all of this here at our local nursery is about $30, where if you went and bought equivalent in the bags, it would be $70 to $100 for the same amount. And I prefer the hardwood over the other because it does fade, but it actually produces more bacteria and good stuff into your soil, and it'll break down and be beneficial. So you really want to have something that's feeding your soil as it's decomposing. And also on dirt is the same thing. Bag dirt you can do with flower pots and stuff, but if you want to have a good flower bed, you really kind of want to go to a local nursery and get compost, and it's about $30 to $40 a yard also. And you're supporting small business mom and pop stores instead of the big chain stores. So there's my little tip. Well, all right, I appreciate you spending your day with me and hope this was pretty educational for you. Be sure and check back. Our next video will be us working on our vegetable garden and getting it all ready. And thanks again for hanging out with Mama's Weeds. Have a good one.